Hello friends, I'm your maths faculty from QLS Academy. Today we are going to start the topic pair of linear equations in two variables. We will learn about the general form of such equations and how to find their different types of solutions using different methods. So let's start. I hope you'll have fun learning. So we know what a linear equation is. ऐसी इक्वेशन जिसकी डिग्री 1 हो. For example, 2x plus 6 equal to 0 या 4 by 5x plus 1 equal to 0 या 3 plus 7y equal to 0. Now 2x plus 7y equal to 0. यहाँ पे you can see x और y दोनों आ रहे हैं. This example is a linear equation in two variables. As you can see 2x plus 7y equal to 0. इसमें दो variables हैं x and y. Now talking about pair of linear equations in two variables. मतलब ये जो equation है 2x plus 7y equal to 0 ऐसी एक और equation and इनका pair. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2x प्लस 7y इक्वल टू 0 तो है ही. सपोज हमारे पास एक और होती 32x माइनस 8y इक्वल टू 0. रिमेंबर बोथ इक्वेशंस शुड कंसिस्ट ऑफ द सेम वेरिएबल्स. जैसे यहाँ दोनों इक्वेशंस में वेरिएबल्स x एंड y हैं. सो एज वी नो दैट द जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ अ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स इज ax प्लस by प्लस c इक्वल टू 0 वेयर a इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 एंड ऑल्सो b इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0 बिकॉज अगर ये 0 हो गए तो हमारे पास वेरिएबल भी नहीं बचेगा बिकॉज 0 इंटू वाई विल बी 0 एंड 0 इंटू एक्स विल बी 0. ऑल्सो a, b and c should be real numbers. So when we talk about a pair then a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and एक और इक्वेशन को हम लिख सकते हैं a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. And remember a1 square plus b1 square should not be equal to 0 and in the same way a2 square plus b2 square should not be equal to 0. Now a single linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions represented by a straight line on the graph. But this is not the case with pair of linear equations in two variables. For example, 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 and 9x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. ये हमारे पास दो equations हैं. 5x equal to y and माइनस 7x प्लस 2y प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 0. ये एक और पेयर हो गया. These were some examples of pair of linear equation in two variables. Now let us see how we plot these equations on the graph with the help of an example. Now you know that given two equations in a plane, only one of the following three possibilities can happen. Number one is the two lines will intersect at one point. Number two, the two lines will not intersect, that is they will be parallel to each other. And number three, the two lines will be coincident. Now let us solve a problem based on this. Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for rupees 9. Her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila and she also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for rupees 18. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. So let us denote the cost of one pencil by x and cost of one eraser by rupees y. Then the algebraic representation is given by the following equations. In Romila's case it will be 2x plus 3y equal to 9 since उसने 2 pencil और 3 eraser खरीदे और cost 9 थी. And in case of Sonali it will be 4x plus 6y equal to 18 क्योंकि उसने 4 pencils खरीदी और 6 erasers खरीदे and total cost was 18 rupees. To obtain the equivalent geometric representation, we find 2 points on the line representing each equation. That is, we find 2 solutions of each equation because we need minimum of 2 points to represent a line. For that, we will express y in terms of x. जैसे हमारी पहली इक्वेशन है 2x plus 3y equal to 9. इसको अगर हम y के फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करें तो y equal to 9 minus 2x by 3 आ जाएगा. अब हम इसकी टेबल बनाएंगे और x की वैल्यू पे y की क्या वैल्यू आ रही है वो हम नोट करेंगे. जैसे हमने जब x equal to 0 रखा तो y की वैल्यू हमारे पास आएगी 3. जब हम x equal to 4.5 रखते हैं तो y की वैल्यू आती है 0. अब इन द सेम केस सोनाली वाली जो इक्वेशन है 4x plus 6y equal to 18. यहाँ पर y हमें मिलेगा 18 minus 4x by 6. यहाँ पर भी हम x की वैल्यू एक बार 0 रखेंगे तो हमें y मिलेगा 3 और जब हम x इक्वल टू 3 रखेंगे तो y मिलेगा 1. अब हमारे पास xy दोनों इक्वेशंस के लिए हमारे पास दो सॉल्यूशंस हैं. नाउ वी प्लॉट दीज पॉइंट्स इन अ ग्राफ पेपर एंड ड्रॉ द लाइंस. we find that both the lines coincide. This is so because both the equations are equivalent, that is one can be derived from the other. So हमने ये तो देख लिया that equation को plot करने का क्या तरीका है, but ये ग्राफ पे plot करने का significance क्या है, क्यों सीख रहे हैं हम ये. So I told you that given two lines in a plane, only one of the three possibilities can happen. Number one, the two lines will intersect at some point. This means they have a singular unique solution. Number two, the two lines will not intersect, that is they will be parallel. In that case, they have no common solution. Number three, the two lines will be coincident. This means they will have infinitely many solutions. So जो lines represent कर रही हैं हर equation को, हमारे पास दो equations होती हैं, उसकी हम दो lines बनाते हैं. अब अगर ये दोनों lines intersect कर रही हैं, इसका मतलब एक point पे intersect कर रही हैं, तो जो pair है हमारे पास equations का, उनका एक solution होगा. अगर ये दोनों lines intersect नहीं कर रही किसी भी point पे, that is इसका एक ही मतलब हो सकता है कि they are parallel. इसका ये मतलब है कि दोनों equations का कोई common solution नहीं है. और तीसरा केस ये हो सकता है कि दोनों लाइंस एक के ऊपर एक हो, यानी दे विल बी कोइंसिडेंट. इन दैट केस दोनों इक्वेशंस के इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सॉल्यूशंस होंगे बिकॉज दे रिप्रेजेंट द सेम लाइन, सो उनके सारे सॉल्यूशंस कॉमन होंगे. सो द ग्राफिकल मेथड ऑफ सॉल्विंग साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशंस इज स्टेप 1. लेट द इक्वेशंस बी a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Number 2, draw their graphs. Let the lines representing these equations be L1 and L2. Number 3, if these lines intersect at only one point, let's say alpha beta, then they have a unique solution at x equal to alpha and y equal to beta. Number 4, if the lines are coincident, then there are infinitely many solutions which we cannot find. And number 5, if they are parallel, then they have no solution. Now let us understand this with the help of a problem. So our problem says solve the following system of linear equations graphically. हमें दो equations given हैं, x minus y equal to 1 and 2x plus y equal to 8. And if they intersect, determine the area bounded by these lines and the x-axis. So we draw the graph. We already learned how to do so by expressing y in terms of x and then finding the solutions of both the equations. So after determining the solutions of both the lines and drawing their graphs, we will see a point of intersection that will be 3, 2. Now you can see ये जो lines हैं ये मिलके x axis के साथ एक triangle बना रही हैं. So हमें इस triangle का area निकालना है. We know area of the triangle is half base into height. So area हो जाएगा 1/2 into 3 multiplied by 2 as base की length यानी जो x axis है उस पर जो length है that is 3 and height यानी y axis that will be 2. So area हो जाएगा 3 square units. So as you can see, this process is really simple. This is it for this session. We learned how to draw the graph of a pair of linear equations and two variables and what are their number of solutions on the basis of their intersection points. One of the three possibilities can happen. The two lines will intersect at one point, then they'll have a singular unique solution. The two lines will not intersect, they will be parallel, so no common solution. And number 3, the two lines will be coincident, so they'll have infinitely many solutions. Keep this in mind. So I hope you had fun learning. For any queries or information, you may visit the link following the video. Thank you.